the name suggests, we organize the AFP Triathlon team ng Armed Forces of the Philippines organize this advocacy to remember yung mga fallen heroes natin sa military, especially those who died in combat like in Marawi Siege, in Zamboanga Siege. So yun yung number one na i-honor natin kasi based on our observation, after few years, usually yung mga heroes natin are almost forgotten. So that is one of our advocacy and reason for this Race for Our Heroes. But at the same time, we also would like to honor yung heroism ng ating COVID-19 frontliners because we also consider them as our heroes. So there are two types of heroes in short, combat heroes as well as COVID-19 heroes natin.
Tayo'y diwanag, ikaw at ako, tuloy pa rin ang Pasko.
Nandito na naman tayo this year, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating Pasko. This time with our public sector partners from the Philippine Navy. As Makati Medical Center Foundation, we have long been advocating health and wellness programs. And this morning, makikita natin kung ano-ano yung mga iba't ibang activities ng AFP, ng Philippine Navy. Hindi lang Makati Medical Center Foundation yung nagsusupport dito. Nandyan din yung ating mga kapatid from Maynilad, PLDT Comrel. Meron din tayong private sector partners from Freedom Farms. So, nagbigay tayo this morning and also yesterday ng healthy breakfast for all of more than 500 soldiers and enlisted personnel and officers from the Philippine Navy.
Kailangan ng mga participants natin ng maraming tubig. So we are very, very much thankful to Maynilad through Makati Medical Center Foundation. We have been provided with ample supply of bottled water for our participants.
Narito't hawak kamay sa ating diwanag ng Pasko.
We'd just like to say, kami sa Makati Medical Center Foundation, maaga natin inumpisahan yung ating Christmas celebrations and we continue to share our blessings not just with our public sector partners but also with our partners both from the public and private sector. We'd like to continue to ask for support in terms of all the work that we're doing, especially in this pandemic. Pandemic pa rin po ngayon, kaya continuous pa rin po ang paalala namin to maintain the minimum health protocols and at the same time to just continue to be healthy and well.
Asahan mo tuloy pa rin ang Pasko, maligaya bayan